You are watching Places. Every day we bring you an insightful look into fascinating events all around the world. The best countries to get rich. Welcome to Mr. CH. The place where future people become inspired to make their dreams true. The factors you'd probably expect to see in a country where it's easiest to become rich are a free marketing economy, low taxes and minimal government intervention. However, some of the most opportunistic countries have the complete opposite. Today we're going to look at these countries and others that offers the best opportunities for those who want to get rich. By the end of this video, you'll have a better idea where you can go and have the smoothest way to get some financial success, but first, let's get some background info about which countries have the most rich people. Introduction. The Wealth Report defines a rich person who has at least $30 million. These are referred to as ultra-high net worth individuals. The country with the most richest people in the world is United States with numbers more than 40,000, then followed by Japan is a distant second with about 17,000. Then Germany, the UK and the China. But if you at the data a different way and instead consider the number of rich people percentage of the total population, the numbers tell a different story. First of all, let's disqualify tax havens like Monaco, Switzerland, Cyprus, Singapore and Hong Kong. These countries all have large number of rich people, but these numbers are artificial because their rich people come from all over the world. They choose to live or register businesses in these countries mainly because of their tax haven status. We want to find countries which actually have the most native rich people per capita. When we look at those numbers, Norway comes in first with 484 rich people per million inhabitants, followed by Sweden, New Zealand, Canada and Denmark. The US comes in at the number 13 on this list with 126 rich people per million inhabitants. But if you look at the same data but raise the threshold for richness up to $1 billion, Iceland is the top country with 3.1 billionaires per million inhabitants. This is followed by the Sweden, Norway, United States and the Germany. So the average of the Scandinavia, which includes Denmark, Sweden and Norway is 2.1 billionaires per million people, while average in the US is 1.7 billionaires per million people. Therefore, the data suggests that Scandinavian countries is the best place in the world to get rich, but why is this the case? There is a perception that Scandinavian countries are anti-rich and anti-capitalist because they follow a socialist model, but this is not reality. Their economic model actually allows for more people to become rich, especially business owners and entrepreneurs who utilize advanced technology. Social democracies lead to free education, which enables more people to pursue their goals and realize their potentials. Statistically, when a child born in a poorer family, and they have too difficult path to get financial success than those who already are born into wealth. But when education and other opportunities are equally available to those of all incomes, it's easier to make that leap from poor to rich. That is why there are more self-made rich people in Scandinavia than in US. Consequently, there is no federal minimum wage in Denmark, Sweden or in Norway because collective bargaining agreements have pushed up the minimum acceptable salaries. They have done this so much that many jobs have been replaced by automation. This means that technology is advancing quickly in Scandinavia because of the need to have machines do more in the society. This new technology leads to increased productivity and also ultimately to greater profits in business as people are being replaced by machines. On the other end, wages are also restricted for the higher-level workers. An executive making $100,000 in the US would only make about $75,000 per year in Scandinavian countries. This is great news for business owners and shareholders because the difference in pay contributes to the profits. While many people would suspect that it would be very difficult to get rich in Scandinavian countries due to the high taxes enable more people to attain a quality education, so there's more talent contributing to the economy. The generous welfare system also provides a safety net, so entrepreneurs are willing to take more risks. In the US, unions are looked down upon by many executives, but the strength of the unions in Scandinavia have helped increase productivity and technology. These are some of the reasons why Norway, Denmark, and Sweden are the best countries in the world to get rich. And countries with similar systems, such as Iceland, also offer similar opportunities to get rich, but they are not the only ones. The United States is known as the land of opportunity where people can pursue the American dream of prosperity and freedom. And even though the US does rank low in social mobility and income equality, there are many paths for those who want to become rich. Research has shown that education is an important factor. Graduates from Ivy League caliber universities have a better chance of breaking into the top 20% of the income distribution no matter what their family background is. However, a higher percentage of those who get accepted to Ivy League universities come from wealthy backgrounds in the first place. The top 1% is primarily made up of bankers and financiers, and the path to richness for many goes through Wall Street. Outside of a good education, the best chance to get rich in the US is through entrepreneurship. The US was named as the third best country in the world for entrepreneurship according to the US News & World Report, behind Germany and Japan. The opportunities to get rich are similar in other capitalist and mixed economy countries like Canada, New Zealand, Australia, Germany, and the UK, but there are some other countries that shouldn't be overlooked. It is possible to become rich no matter what country in the world you live in, but there are certainly some countries that make the path much easier than others. As we have learned today, Scandinavia is the prime place to be if you want to have the best chance of getting rich through starting a business or making strategic investments. But capitalist and mixed market economies also offer many opportunities for those willing to do the proper research and put in the work. Emerging economies pose the greatest risks for entrepreneurs, but they also can offer the highest rewards if you play your cards right. And finally, there will always be countries in this world where people gain tremendous wealth through corrupt actions and governments. In addition to the countries we mentioned, some of the fastest growing economies in the world right now are located in Asia, so if you are interested in exploring how you can personally benefit from this growth, check out How Asia Works: Success and Failure in the World's Most Dynamic Region. Would you be willing to move to a different country if it meant you had a better chance of getting rich? The country is United States, which have highest GDP in the world. $20.54 trillion United States dollars. After US, China comes, which have a highest growing GDP. $13.61 trillion United States dollars. Subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon.